Mr. Blessing here, and we're talking about warm-up number 1, Tame the Lawnmower. Talking about these different notes. We got C, remember, skip 1, press 1, skip 1, press 2. We got C, which is this middle finger here, or it's the first finger with this middle finger with the side of the right index finger. Alright, that's C. Then we have B, which is just this first finger here. Then we have A, 1 and 2, G, 1, 2, and 3. And we also have F. So if you see with the right hand, pressing that first finger right there. This is 4, 5, and 6. So that's what you're playing on this exercise. Here we go. I'm going to turn on my metronome and my tuner. Try to get every note in the green on this bad boy. Alright, here we go. Warm up number 1, playing with me. Ready, set, play. Remember to use the tongue. Here we go on B. Now on A, 1 and 2. That note didn't want to tune. Here we go on G. Now on F at the right hand. Going down. Last line. Thank you for keeping the music alive and keep practicing.